We represent a lot of clients who are parents starting their U.S. green card journey through EB-5, and they frequently worry that their children's start date for college or university in the United States is set, but that EB-5 timelines might not converge. And so they worry, can I file EB-5 today without risking my child's F-1 student visa approval? And the answer is yes, absolutely. U.S. law allows you to pursue both paths simultaneously, and we guide families through this dual path strategy every day. The legal standard is key. F-1 approval depends on the student's present intent, meaning what do they intend to do today? They need to prove that they're entering the U.S. to study temporarily. There's a couple different scenarios that we frequently see. The first is your child is a derivative beneficiary of your EB-5 visa petition. Super common scenario, the EB-5 visa petition is filed in the parent's name, and so therefore the parent's intent won't be imputed to the child. So when the student fills out the DS-160, they can answer no to the question as to whether or not they or anyone else has filed an immigrant visa petition on their behalf, because the petition was filed by and for the parent. They simply focus their interview on their academic plans. Scenario B, your child is actually the principal EB-5 investor, and this is increasingly common, totally permissible. USCIS policy explicitly states that a student with their own pending EB-5 visa petition can still qualify for F-1. The difference is twofold, the DS-160 and the interview. On the DS-160, the student obviously needs to answer yes and be prepared to explain that they themselves have filed the immigrant visa petition. They need to be able to articulate to the officer, my long-term immigration goal is totally separate from my immediate academic goal. Today, my plan is just to go to the US and study. I don't have a long-term plan to, fully remain in the US. I'm just focused today on my academic career. And the consular officer is legally required to focus on their present intent to study. Note to parents, there's no helicopter parents or tiger moms allowed in the visa interview with the children. They're going to need to be able to articulate this themselves to the immigration officer looking at their F-1 student visa application. In summary, you can start your EB-5 visa petition today with confidence. The law supports families' goals of securing a U.S. future while protecting their kids' educational timelines. We're here to help align your I-526E strategy with your child's F-1 student visa requirements. Contact us today for a consultation on your dual path immigration strategy.